be honest, I've got absolutely no idea what I'm doing. But I have a little cleaning kit here. Let's get a moderately nice cloth. And this, which is from RS Components, anti-static foam cleaner. So this is what the shops use, apparently, to clean. Oh, I've got a nice soft brush as well. Hang on. Oh. Soft brush. So when you clean your let me adjust these lights again. I can never quite get the right colour. I don't want to be, you know, too much of a suntan. So we're going to clean this TS-2000. There's a good story behind this. I picked it up a couple of days ago, and this was Alan's G3 LUA. Now, Alan was an old mate of mine. I didn't realise he'd passed away at Silent Key in February. I used to talk to Alan a lot. If you go back through my live streams, you'll hear him occasionally talking. He was only up the road. He used to hang around on 3.755 a lot of the time, about 11, 12 o'clock, you know, in the morning. I sometimes would key up, Alan, are you there? And he'd go, oh, hello, mate. Now, I don't know if this was his regular radio. I seem to remember he had an icon, but I picked it up. It's a complete accident. It was his nephew, I believe. And I can see grime and all sorts of stuff. And I thought, I'll give it a go, right? So I'll shut up and let's spray this on. Because this is what the shops will do when you trade in your old radio with finger marks and grime and everything. They'll spray it like that. It looks horrendous. Think, how on earth is this going to work out? But this is what they do. And if it still works after doing this, then we'll be in luck. I do have an old toothbrush. Well, it's never been used as a toothbrush, but it's just to get in right in there. Look, let's lift it up. Ooh, do you know what? It is. I can tell it's starting to look better already. There is dust, I've noticed, in behind this screen here. Is that an easy fix? I don't know. If you know, if it is, let me know. Ugh. Oh, Alan, your radio's looking really nice now. Yeah, sure enough, that grime's gone behind the VFO there. I mean, it's not perfect, all right, but it doesn't need to be. I've been forever mucking around with this bloody camera. I've got a funny feeling it's too... I've got the colour tone wrong. There's 4 settings on a Canon. It's, you know, saturation, contrast, tone, and something else. So I copied all the cameras to the same one as that one. No, it's this one. This one here. Because this one I've just borrowed from home. For today's video, I wanted to know what it was like to do 3 camera setup when I'm doing something, you know, close on. All right, that'll do. Okay. Do I do the top as well? Give it a go. Not quite sure if I should cover the loudspeaker with this. I do everything with this. You know, I do my radios, which I'll do now. Hang on. Just run over the top. Why not? Every few days. Lovely. Right, let me give you a proper look now. That is actually a lot better. Yeah, if you buy like a used radio in a shop, this is what they do. If you know a better way of doing this, then shout. How to get rid of this dust in here? You probably can't see it there. I don't know. I'll move it around a bit and hopefully the light might catch it. There's dust definitely inside here. I think it covers off and a dust blaster thing. Still not happy with these lights. I don't know how to fix that. Maybe there. All right. I don't know. Well, try it out yourself. I don't think this is that expensive. Anti-static foam cleaner. And I think you can use any, it smells quite pleasant as well. Enjoy your radio. Keep up the cleaning. All right. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.